Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this kind of like pink purpley kind of Barbie style cut crease. So I'm starting off with P. Louise base in the shade 0.5. Then I'm going into the Norvina volume 1 and I'm using shade B4. And I'm using an M506 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to pack this on the outer corner of my eye, just leaving it right there only. Because I like whenever I do looks like this, sometimes for the inner corner to be super light instead of going in with that dark shade. But now we're taking the shade, I believe that's A6, A5, I think that's A5. And I'm using an M562 brush from Morphe with this like bright pink. It's such a beautiful pink shade. And as you can see, I'm blending out the purple with it, but I'm also taking that into the inner corner where I didn't put the purple, kind of giving you that lighter transition in the front to the dark purple. I just like the style sometimes when I'm doing a cut crease like this. It's super cute. And it just kind of helps with like making it look super blended and kind of more like softer, if you feel, in the front. So this takes a lot of blending, especially when you're doing such a dark purple with such a light pink. Hence the faces I'm making, because it's literally just blending your life away. And this, I'm going back in with a little bit of the purple, just whatever's left on the brush, and just blending it into this, so that way I don't have any kind of harsh lines. Just kind of going back and forth between the two brushes, not really picking up any extra product. And then now I'm taking the P. Louise base in the shade 0.5, and this is a P. Louise brush. And I'm just doing a half cut crease. So I'm just tapping the product on. I'm not really swiping it. I'm tapping it to get a great line. And then once I have it all tapped in, I'm going to go back in with the B4 shade. And pretty much just use this on that outer corner, and just make sure that there's like, I don't know how to explain it, like just not a harsh line on that white. But then I'm also going to go back in with A5. Yeah, that's A5. I'm going to go back in with A5, and I'm going to pat that right in between the purple and the white base. It's not really a white base, but it looks pretty white here on this camera. And I'm just going to make sure that those two are blended and there's no real like harsh line between the white and the pink. And then I'm going in with a B3, which is a beautiful pink frosty color. Like, look how pretty that pink is. Are you kidding me? It's the prettiest pink shimmer shade I've ever seen. And then I'm going in with A1, and I'm packing that pretty much just in that inner area. Now I'm going in with a glitter glue, and I'm going in with a pink glitter. It's kind of like a pinky kind of glitter. It's from Glitter Realm. And then I'm going in with ColourPop's Boots liner. And then this is B4 again. And I'm just going to blend this on my lower lash line using the M506 brush from Morphe. And then I'm going back in with A5, and I'm blending all of that again. The key to this is just making sure everything is blended and using the same few colors. As you see, we have only used 4 eyeshadows here, and it's perfect. Then I'm just using a highlight, the highlight that I put on my face. I believe it's the Wet n Wild highlighter in Moon Tears. And then this is the Hank & Henry Blinkety Black Slick With It liner, and I'm just going to pop that on to my lash line so that way my lashes will slide on it. And that's the finished look, you guys. Wait, we're doing lips. Oh yeah. I'm using Nude from GERARD Cosmetics, and I'm just lining my lips. I do a little bit of an outline, like overdraw them just a smidge, not a whole lot, but you kind of have to when you have small lips like mine. There's no getting away from like not overlining your lips. And then I'm going to do Butter Cupcake from GERARD Cosmetics. And then I'm going to go back in with a lip liner and kind of just like blend them together, because you see they're just a little bit of an off color. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I love your faces. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!